Hi and welcome to this Yano video recipe. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you're subscribed to not miss out. Today we're cooking lemon and garlic chicken wings. Before we start, take a look at the link in the description below. You can order the pre-meshed ingredients to cook this recipe at home. Before you start, preheat the oven to 220 degrees. In a bowl, combine the oil, lemon juice, lemon zest, garlic, salt and pepper. Whisk everything together and leave the sauce to one side. Now take the chicken wings and roll each one in corn flour before placing on a baking tray. Drizzle half of the sauce over the wings. Bake in the oven for 15 minutes. Now remove the wings, flip them over and drizzle with the remaining sauce. Return the wings to the oven and cook for a further 20 minutes. Garnish these delicious wings with lemon wedges, parsley, spring onion and poppy seeds. You'll be amazed how flavourful these wings are. They're a delicious alternative to the usual hot and spicy wings. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like this video. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you subscribe to not miss out.